Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got a package. I wanted to do an unboxing review. You probably can recognize what this is. For those of us that have been in the planner community for a while. So this is nice. Brass burnisher, so you can tell I got some kind of brass product. To clean and burnish your brass goods with this zero grade steel wool. Rub steel wool over the brass. That's it. If you want to keep the aging patina on the brass, just apply beeswax. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. Very, very pretty. About very nice, very nice. Right, and then of course Galen Leather is a Turkish company. It's a small business. Oh, look at this. I've never received a pen holder. By the way, this is great to have as well, this little pouch, just to put little trinkets in. This is very nice. Thank you, Galen Leather. I don't have one of these, and I would have probably never bought one. And it fits a pen. This is a Twisby perfectly. Smells really good too. And I like this color. And there's an evil eye. This is different than before. And they always give you a hand towel. Classic lemon towel. The tea. 10% off. A beautiful postcard. Oh, I don't have this one. This is beautiful. What you seek is seeking you. Rumi. And I love Rumi. Beautiful poems. And this is it. So let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. This is an A6 undyed leather. And it smells really good. It's larger than I thought it would be, and there's hair. In the stitch, actually. Hair that made it all the way from Turkey and is in the stitch. Can you see it? Okay. That's beautiful. It's really loose over there. That's not like Galen leather. That's beautiful. And that's not suede, that's just the back of the leather. Pocket there. It's wider than I thought it would be. I thought it would be smaller. That's not a bad thing, just different. That's beautiful together. This is my artist collection Chic Sparrow. And this is an A6 Hobonichi. And this is a take a note planner in A6 as well. So we're going to try both of them. Well, probably one will only fit, but we'll see. Feels like it wants to get stuck. There we go. There's plenty of room for tabs. Another hair. You see it? It's weird. Let's try the Hobonichi. I think the Hobonichi is a bit thicker, so we'll see. The strap is pretty tight. Color is so pretty. Here is the water cotton, which is a B6. Let's see if we can fit a pen in here. Nope. So I'm not sure. Maybe like this. There we go. Well, okay, that's better. So you do have to stick that notebook all the way in to get that pen to fit in the back. That's a pretty good fit though. And the tabs are mostly in. Very cute. Never had this one before. Thought I should try it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've used this A6 in the past and what you think about it. The workmanship is wonderful for sure. It's a nice thick piece of leather. I thought it would be more like a pocket, like maybe this size. but it's certainly larger. I think this is a Pocket Plus from Chic Sparrow, and you can see it's a bit larger. Maybe higher, that's about it. God, it still smells amazing. This one does have one long pocket. You could put things here. Here you could put maybe a phone. No. Too small. Maybe stickers or something. Well, I'll try it for a few days and see. It's not really something I'm in love with, I have to say. I guess I had a different expectation of what it would be like. I'm glad I got a chance to try it out. That's always fun. And maybe if it gets softer over time. Well, let me know your thoughts. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.